Hi everyone, in this video let's make vegan dandelion simple dressing. What we'll need is the dandelion leaves from your backyard. You would want to pick from a nice clean place that has not been sprayed by pesticides, and so you're using nothing that has been contaminated. To it you would be adding extra virgin olive oil, pine nuts, nutritional yeast, garlic, and you will also need some water. So in exact measurements, what I used was 2 cups of tender dandelion leaves. Make sure you wash them thoroughly. And 1/4 cup oil, 2 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons nutritional yeast, and 1/3 cup of pine nuts. Salt and pepper to taste. You would put everything in a blender and add 2 tablespoons of water. And blend. So if it's not moving, you could add a bit more water. You might want to add about a tablespoon at a time to give it a nice consistency. Adjust the salt and pepper to taste after you puree it in. And serve and enjoy. You have a nice, economical, and really good tasting dressing on your hands. Here it's seen served over tofu, beet, and avocado salad. Bon appetit!